In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat video sound not working problem. First of all, make sure that your volume is turned up. Once you're sure of that, go to settings. Scroll down until you find apps, click on it, then go to app management, then search for Snapchat, click on it, then you will see storage uses, click on it. Here click on clear cache. Then let's go back, click on permissions. Make sure that your microphone is in allowed section. If it is in not allowed section, click on it. There you will find don't allow clicked in. Click on allow only while using the app. Then let's go back. Now completely close Snapchat from the recent apps and try relaunching it. And if it is still not working, go to Play Store. Search for Snapchat. Then check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app and try to relaunch it. Then one last thing that you can do is simply click and hold your power button. Then from there restart your device and the audio in your Snapchat video should start working. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.